easy bites. I'm gonna teach you how to take a shit, how to shit water, and here are the perfect ingredients for it. Yo, let's get into it. A homemade Sonic Blast brought to you by Krash. So we're gonna start off with some M&Ms, dump it in the bag, the sharing size, okay? The mega stuffed Oreos, not the double stuff, not the extra cream, the mega stuff. Alright, throw some of those in the bag. As a matter of fact, let's get the whole bag of M&Ms in there, yup. We're gonna add a couple more Oreos. Yeah, and a couple more Oreos. And a couple more. Yeah. Alright, then we're gonna beat this shit. Beat it down. That's like a fine powder, but we're gonna beat it, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna beat it. Yeah. Alright, it should look something like this after about an hour and a half of beating it. Now we're going with the strawberry swirl, blue bunny ice cream. You can pick yours to your preference. Alright, take some scoops, you gotta get up in there. That's my technique, Alright, now we're going with the Fairlife milk lactose free. We already gonna be shitting, we don't wanna be shitting too much. You don't want our shit to be green. So, keep it a little healthy. Now we're going with Nesquik strawberry syrup. That's exactly how it's gonna look when we do can. Alright, now we're gonna, get some whipped cream up in here, you know what I'm saying? Then we're gonna whisk it. We're gonna whisk that thing, we're gonna whisk it. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna whisk it. You gotta put that forearm into it. You gotta put that body into it, that soul. Okay, now we're gonna take them beat down toppings, the peanut M&Ms and the Oreos. I think 2 scoops, one more. That's pretty good. You can't forget the sliced bananas. After another light whisking session, we're gonna, portion it into the bowl or cup we about to eat it out of. Top it off a little more whipping cream. You know what I'm saying? And boom! Yeah, there we go. Homemade Sonic Blast. Self-made. Do it yourself. Stop paying people extra to do it when you can spend more to do it at home. And now time for the taste test. You know what I'm saying? Let's see.
Yeah, it tastes pretty good. Not bad at all.